The journey to heal after narcissistic abuse. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into self-healing and personal growth. Today, we're tackling a topic that hits close to home for many of us, how to heal after narcissistic abuse. And the burning question we'll be answering is, can you heal on your own? So grab your favorite cozy blanket, settle in, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. When it comes to narcissistic abuse, the healing journey can appear daunting. It's like navigating through a dense forest with invisible traps, seeking solace in a place where clouds shroud the light. But hear me out, my friends. You are stronger than you think. Healing after narcissistic abuse is possible, and yes, you can heal on your own. First and foremost, self-awareness is the key that opens the door to healing. Understanding that you've been a victim of narcissistic abuse is a brave step towards reclaiming your power. Take the time to reflect on the toxic patterns you experienced and recognize that it was never your fault. This realization will fuel your healing journey, empowering you to cultivate self-compassion and self-love. Healing after narcissistic abuse requires nourishing your mind, body, and soul. Embracing a holistic approach, unleash the healing powers of nutrition. Fill your plate with fresh, vibrant foods that fuel your body with energy and vitality. Remember, you deserve to nourish yourself with every delectable bite, allowing your body to heal from within. Now, let's dig deeper into the question. Can you heal on your own? Absolutely. However, it's important to recognize that healing is not a straight path. It's a roller coaster of emotions. Consider seeking support through therapy and connecting with a licensed professional who specializes in trauma recovery. Their expertise will provide a safe space to unravel the entanglement of emotions and guide you to a place of profound healing. Self-education is paramount in healing after narcissistic abuse. Educate yourself about narcissism and abusive dynamics. Dive into books, online articles, and reputable resources that shed light on complex psychology and recovery strategies. Empower yourself with knowledge and arm yourself with understanding. Remember, knowledge is an essential lifeline along this transformative journey. In the quest for healing, embracing self-care rituals becomes non-negotiable. Find solace in activities that reconnect you with your true essence. Engage in journaling, mindfulness practices, creative expressions, or even simply basking in the beauty of nature. Allow these moments to rejuvenate your soul and foster a sense of peace, offering you solace amidst the chaos. As you heal, remember that self-expression is the language of the soul. Engage in therapeutic art practices, whether through painting, writing, or dancing. Let your emotions flow onto the canvas, onto the paper. Let them be released from within you. This creative outlet will serve as a powerful tool, aiding in your healing process and assisting you in reclaiming your authentic self. Throughout this journey, introspection becomes your ever-faithful companion. Take time to meditate, enveloping yourself in silence and stillness. Silence allows us to hear the whispers of our intuition, guiding us toward clarity and inner peace. In this sacred pause, you'll find the strength to let go of the past, to forgive yourself, and to open the doors of healing wide. And my fellow warriors, remember that healing doesn't mean you have to face it alone. Building a support system is crucial. Surround yourself with authentic friends and compassionate souls who uplift and validate your journey. Share your experiences, have heart-to-heart conversations, and lean on each other in times of need. Together, you'll find solace in your collective healing energy. So, my beautiful souls, yes, you can heal after narcissistic abuse, and yes, you can heal on your own. Through self-awareness, self-education, self-care rituals, and finding support, you will rise above the scars and rediscover the vibrant, courageous, and resilient soul within. Embrace the process, trust in your strength, and remember that genuine healing is within your grasp. Remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video with others who may need this healing journey encouragement. Together, let's ignite a revolution of self-healing and empowerment. Always remember, your light shines brightest when you heal from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video.